My name is Chloe Thurston. I'm an associate professor of political science at Northwestern University. My work in political science is in the field of American politics, political economy, and public policy. And the thing that animates it is this question of how does finance, how does the fact that sort of citizens rely on credit, on access to credit, they deal with sort of the other side of that too, debt, and they often get involved in financial markets too. And like, what are the implications of this for politics more broadly? So my project at the American Academy is called How Americans Became Investors. And it tackles this development of what we like to call the democratization of finance over recent decades. Basically, this huge increase in participation by citizens, not only in financial markets and stock markets, now even in things like crypto investing and other types of maybe smaller scale investment schemes. I'm a political scientist, so when I think about these kinds of questions, I tend to think about the sort of the different factors in the political system. Again, I'm an Americanist, so in the US political system that helped to shape this outcome, this development over time. I think that this is important for one reason, because when we think about these kind of big economic changes that seem kind of almost inevitable and almost kind of far-reaching, we often think about them in terms of the technological changes. But the thing is that technological change, one, is something that often is shaped by regulations, and so those are political moves. And the other thing, too, is that citizens don't necessarily embrace technological changes. Part of the question, again, is sort of how can we think about politics as shaping citizens' proclivity and how they sort of think of themselves as financial actors, and what are some of the limits to what can't really be explained just by politics, but by sort of technology, by these bigger social and cultural changes. So one of the things that I'm really excited about doing while I'm here is actually making some connections with people who are involved in these questions in different ways and to different degrees in Berlin, in Germany, and trying to explore the possibilities for cross-national comparative research.